Hey people, welcome to the stream. Let me check if I'm live or not. Just give me a sec, then we'll start. Key. Feeling good. Yep, I am live. So let's begin with the today's problem. So for the people who are watching this playlist or who are new to this video, the plan is to solve SQL top 50 problems both in SQL and in Pandas. So today's problem is find followers count. Okay, so we have the table followers with the column name user id and follower id, which is like the combination of primary key, and this table contains the id of a user and a follower in a social media app where the follower follows the user. Okay, so we need to write a solution that will for each user return the number of followers, and we can return the result table ordered by user id in ascending order. Okay, and the result format is in the following example. So we have the followers table. If you see, we have user id 01222 0122 and follower id as 1001, which is like a logic gate. So output is user id 012 because it is distinct, not duplicates mentioned, and follower count is 1 1 and 2. Okay, so basically we are counting the number of occurrence of either the follower id or the user id. That's it. Okay, so select user id and count of user id as followers count because we want the table or the column name as followers count. Okay, and from followers, so followers is the table name, and finally we are grouping it by user id and order by user id. Okay, so because they want it in the ascending order. Okay, so this statement. So let me run this. So yeah, case accepted. Let me submit it. Yep, it accepted. Okay, so let me try the another way. So let me configure this follower id. Let's see whether this works. Count of follower id, what will it fetch? And we're grouping it by user id. Okay, let me run this. I think it should work. Yeah. Yep, both the ways it works. Okay, so either you can give follower id or user id. Anything is fine. So let's switch over to pandas. So in case of pandas, what we are doing here is first of all, we are grouping it by user id and follower id dot n unique, in the sense the distinct records of follower id, and we are resetting the index. Okay, so if you want to watch this output, so let me comment out this part and return what is it, the res. Okay, so let me comment out this part also. Okay, so we just want the first line of output, so let me expand it this way so that we have the output in the proper format. So if you see the output here, okay, if you see the output here, 0 1 2, the 2 which was occurring one more time, it vanished. Okay, so that is what it is doing. That means it is counting just the follower id and unique. Okay, and it is assigning to whatever user id, and it is resetting the index. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are renaming the columns follower id to followers count. Okay, so if you see this follower id, if I run this again, it will accept this test case, but it will not accept every test case. Why, I will show you. Okay, so if you see this output, now the column name is follows count. Okay, but if I submit it, now some test cases will fail because we are not sorting the values as per the user id. Whoa, it worked anyways. I don't know why, but we need to sort the values by user id. It should have failed at some test cases, but not sure though. But anyways, yeah. it is doing its job. So we should not worry about this. Okay, so anyways, we can also drop this line, I think, which is again better. Okay, so let me submit this. Then in case of SQL also, we could have dropped this order by, right? Let's see if it works here, because they said order by user ID, right? See, now the test case failed. Okay, because we are not ordering it by user ID. So if I use this test case and if I try to run it, you will see that case 2 will fail. See, this one failed. Why? If you see, our output is 39, 20, 54, but what they want is as per the ascending order 17, 20, and 39, like that. Okay, so that is the reason we need to order it using the ascending order format of user ID. But in case of pandas, how come it is working fine? I don't know. It should ideally not work, right? But yeah, anyways, it is working. But still, for the betterment, I mean, to understand things in a clear manner, just try to have this in the ascending order. Okay, so let me. I don't know whether Control Z will be there here. Okay, it is not there. But yeah, sort the values as per user ID in the ascending order. Okay, and let's. Yeah, that's it. I think so. Okay, so hope you understood from this problem statement at least something, both in case of SQL and in pandas. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, do like, share, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Also share it with your friends who are trying to upskill in this thing. Okay, so yeah, meet you in the next problem statement. Till then, take care. Bye bye.